Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fill out New York IT-2104 form. Start at the top of the form. Print your first name and middle initial in the first box. Then enter your last name in the next box. Write your social security number carefully to avoid mistakes. Next, fill in your permanent home address. Enter your street number and street name or rural route. If you live in an apartment, write the apartment number. Then complete the city, village, or post office name. Add your state and zip code. Now answer the residency questions. Check yes or no to show if you are a resident of New York City. This includes the Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island. Then check yes or no to show if you are a resident of Yonkers. Before you continue, read the note on the form. If it applies to you, complete the worksheet found in the instructions. On line 1, enter the total number of allowances you are claiming for New York State and Yonkers if applicable. If you use the worksheet, transfer the number from line 19. On line 2, enter the total number of allowances for New York City from line 31 of the worksheet. If you have a special agreement with your employer to withhold extra tax, use lines 3, 4, and 5. Enter any additional New York State, New York City, or Yonkers amounts per pay period. Next, select your filing status. Choose single or head of household, married, or married but withhold at higher single rate. Sign and date the form. Give it to your employer and keep a copy for your records. Thanks for watching.